Good day everyone! We are the Group 1, and as a part of our performance task and enhanced mathematics, we are tasked to be the design engineers for the interior design of Pilmat office. For today's presentation, Anika will discuss the interior design of Pilmat office, while Aidan will justify the designs applied and how it is related to our lesson, which is about polygons. And Frankie will be the one who will discuss the costing of each detail to create the said design.
In this design, we can see the things we commonly see inside the school office, like printer, tables, chairs, blackboard, books, shelves, cabinets. But what makes this design unique is we use various polygons such as pentagons, octagons, hexagons, and quadrilaterals. So for this part of the presentation, I will discuss the interior design together with its measurements and materials used for a 16-meter squared room which will be used as a Philomath office. We use color yellow and purple for the office in order to connect its theme to the color of the Philomath Society's logo. Let's start on the left side of the room. As we can see, the room has a length of 4 meters and height of 3.048 meters. The violet paint at the bottom part of the room is 0.127 meters tall. We also indicate the letter blocks that creates and completes the name Philomath Society together with its logo. Beside this name, we can see hexagonal bookshelves with a total width of 2 meters and total height of 1.5 meters. Each hexagon has a width of 0.5 meter and height of 0.6 meter. The hexagonal shelves are full of books, and on top of it there are plaques of awards that represents the awards received by the club. As for the right side, it is more likely the receiving area of the office. All the office equipments in this part are mounted on the wall, and the blank space will serve as the receiving area. The picture frame that holds the club's banner for school year 2020-2021 has a width of 1 meter and height of 0.75 meters. The medal organizer has a measurement of 1 meter by 0.5 meter. The glass cabinet where the printer is placed is 1 meter by 0.75 meter. While the cabinet that holds the trophies is 1.25 meters by 0.75 meter. Both cabinets may contain documents and other paraphernalia. The sofa is added for the visitors. It measures 1.75 meters wide. On the next side, the door is 1.9 meters tall and 0.75 meter wide. The cabinet that is mostly for documents and other equipments and holds the other books and notebooks measures 1.425 meters by 0.95 meter. The air conditioner has a width of 0.6 meter and height of 0.28 meter. On the board side, there is a blackboard that measures 0.9144 meter tall and 1.5 meters wide, while the teacher's table is 1.25 meters by 1.5 meters and has a laptop on it. The measure of the pentagonal chair is the same as the other pentagonal chairs at the long table. There is also an octagonal clock above the teacher's table. The customized long table measures 2 meters wide and 1 meter tall, while the pentagonal chairs, which can also be seen along with the teacher's table, measures 1 meter in height, its base measures 0.3 meter, and its rest measures 0.4 meter wide, while the place where you are seated measures 0.4 meter each side. Lastly, each tile that has irregular polygons measures 40 by 40 cm in size.
In the interior design of the Philomath office, there are various types of polygons. So, let's find these polygons one by one. The door, paper in the printer, drawers, cabinets, the teacher's table, and the blackboard are examples of quadrilaterals because they have 4 sides. We can see that the clock has 8 vertices with equal measurements of each side. Therefore, we can conclude that it is a regular octagon. The interior design also includes octagonal table, hexagonal bookshelves, and pentagonal seats. We can also observe that the tile pattern creates a variety of irregular polygons. All of these polygon-styled elements may be quite handy for storing papers and mathematical paraphernalia. This may also be helpful for teaching and introducing polygons to students.
For the last part of this presentation, I will be stating the costing of the materials, labor, and office furniture and its total. Let's start with the materials. Paint, yellow latex, 8 liters, 500 pesos per 4 liters, total cost 1,000 pesos. Violet latex, 1 liter, 150 pesos, total cost 150 pesos. Gold enamel, 1 liter, total cost 150 pesos. Violet enamel, 4 liters, 500 pesos, total cost 500 pesos. Plywood, 3/4. In 7 chairs, we need 2 plywood, cost 1,500 pesos, total cost 3,000 pesos. Bookshelves, we need 2 plywood, cost 1,500 pesos, total cost 3,000 pesos. In medal organizer, we need 1 plywood, cost 1,500 pesos. In long table, we need 1 plywood, cost 1,500 pesos. Good lumber. In chairs measured 1.5 by 2 by 10, we need 14 good lumbers, cost 230 pesos. Total cost 3,220 pesos. In long table measured 2 by 2 by 8, we need 5 good lumbers, cost 250 pesos. Total cost 1,250 pesos. In socket with plate, we need 4, cost 50 pesos. Total cost 200 pesos. In switch with plate, we need 2, cost 50 pesos. Total cost 100 pesos. Next is the cost of the labor. Paint, 3 days, 500 pesos per day. Total cost 1,500 pesos. Customized bookshelves, 3 days, 500 pesos per day. Total cost 1,500 pesos. Customized medal organizer, 1 day, cost 500 pesos per day. Total cost 500 pesos. Customized long table chairs, 8 days, 500 pesos per day. Total cost 4,000 pesos. Electrical, 1 day, 500 pesos per day. Total cost 500 pesos. As for the office furnitures, the costing are as follows. 1 aircon costs 25,000 pesos. File cabinet costs 1,500 pesos. 1 glass cabinet costs 2,500 pesos. 1 double door cabinet costs 4,500 pesos. 1 door with glass costs 5,000 pesos. 1 blackboard costs 1,500 pesos. 1 teacher's table costs 1,800 pesos. 1 sofa costs 5,000 pesos. 1 printer costs 3,500. 1 laptop costs 30,000 pesos. And the total cost of the interior design of the Philomath office, excluding the electronic, is the total cost of materials is 15,570. Office furniture's total cost is 46,800. And total cost of labor is 8,000. And the total cost, excluding laptop and printer, is 70,370 pesos. And lastly, the total cost estimation for the Philomath office, including optional electronics such as printer and laptop, is the total cost of materials is 15,570 pesos. The office furniture's total cost is 80,300 pesos. And the labor total cost is 8,000. And the total cost including laptop and printer is 103,870 pesos.
Once again, we are the Group 1, presenting our proposed interior design of the Philomath office. We hope we have discussed all the necessary information about the interior design, such as the final output, its measurement, and costing. We also hope that you had understand our justification regarding the relationship of our design to our previous lesson, which is about polygons.